which I already know, but I'm just gonna act like I discovered it now. In the process of drying or wet. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or rather I should say welcome back to myself, because I have been MIA for so long. There was a lot going on and there's still a lot going on with me, and that is exactly why I wasn't active here. So today's video is going to be about Brash. I'm pretty sure most of you would have heard of Faye Beauty. Faye means free and equal. I love everything that they do and everything that they stand for. They're super inclusive, clean beauty. Also, they happen to be one of my first brands in terms of clean beauty that I worked with or like bought a product from. So yeah, I wanted to see show you guys how it looks on my eyelashes. So they have three amazing variants in their mascara. So this one is jet black, they also have charcoal black, and they have brown. So right now I don't have any mascara on my eyelashes, so I'm going to compare Brash with my all-time favorite Honest Beauty's mascara, which also comes with the lash primer. So Brash does not have a lash primer, but I obviously can use the primer from the Honest Beauty's mascara, and then I'm going to apply Brash. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to compare these two. I'm going to apply primer on both of them. I'm going to be using the Honest Beauty's primer, lash primer, and then I'm going to coat it with probably the right with Brash and the left with Honest, and then we'll see how they work, and I'll let you know which one's the better one, which I already know, but I'm just gonna act like I discovered it now. Okay, so this is how my lashes look without any mascara. They're pretty much non-existent. Now I am going to coat it with the Honest Beauty's lash primer. This side, this is how it looks, you guys. Okay. I think I'll try the Honest Beauty first, and then we'll see how Brash looks, right? Yeah, I know it got a little messy, but I think the key is to clean it up after it dries, not while it's in the process of drying or wet. Okay, and that is how it looks with the Honest Beauty mascara. Now this does not have any mascara on. Okay, so now I think it's time to try Brash. I'm not sure if you can see in this video, but yeah, so they have longer bristles on one side and they have shorter bristles on the other. So one is for lengthening and the other one is for volume. So let's start off with the longer ones. Let me separate my lashes with that. Okay, now that is done, I'm going to use the shorter bristles to add some volume. Also, what's amazing about this is it's buildable, so yay! Okay, there you go. That's how it looks. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I have Brash on the right side and Honest Beauty's mascara on the left. So yeah, I feel with the Honest mascara, the wand is not really great. So it looks a little clumpy, but it does look a little thicker. But with Brash, I feel the bristles of the wand does a great job at separating my lashes. Coated again with the shorter bristles, so I think it does an amazing job. Okay, another thing that I wanted to mention is Brash is slightly waterproof, or you can probably call it water resistant, but Honest Beauty is not, so you cannot cry in Honest Beauty. Trust me, I've tried. But with Brash, tried and tested, your girl can cry in peace and not worry about the mascara dripping down her cheek. So it's approved. So I think my new favorite happens to be Brash. In terms of primer, Honest is always going to take its cake. I feel like Honest Beauty's lash primer is one of the best out there, and with the fact that it is a clean beauty company, if you want swatches or if you want a comparison of all the three shades of mascara that the Faye Beauty has, sound off in the comments below. Who knows, I might actually spend my money and then review it because I'm that crazy. Alright, that concludes the video. You know the drill. You know the drill that everybody does here. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed this video or found it a little bit helpful as well. Like and share. Go ahead, subscribe right now. I'm watching you right now. Yeah. Alright, I gotta go.